Hello friends, in this video, I will share you how to install Oppo Find X7 Flip Wallpaper. Includes 3 main colors, gold, pink, green. Live wallpaper on lock screen. And live wallpaper in home screen. Install on any Xiaomi devices. My device returned to default theme now. Let's custom it. Download all file and video description. After downloaded, do not install now. Press and hold file. Rename file to zip compressed file. Add zip to the end of the file name. After rename, press on the file to unzip into downloaded folder. A new folder is created. Do it over and over with the remaining files. After implementation, we have for folders. Press and hold folder, rename file and remove the APK section. Do the same with the remaining 3 folders. Done with the folder section. Next, rename file zip APK remove zip. Do the same with the remaining 3 files. Now install all APK file. After installed, open one of the unzipped folder. Example, green color, open assets. This part contains static wallpaper files and animated wallpaper videos. In the rest of the followers there are also similar files, but there will be different colors. One of them is Oppo Find X7 animated wallpaper file. After having these video files, open Play Store. Install Activity Launcher app. Open app. Search Live Wallpaper. Press the 3 dots, create shortcut. Live Wallpaper shortcut appeared in home screen. If not, you need allow Activity Launcher permission. Add home screen shortcut. Allow home screen shortcut. Now open Live Wallpaper shortcut. Here you will see all the animated wallpapers on your phone, including just installed wallpapers. Select Oppo Find X7 and set to home screen wallpaper. Animation effects will appear when unlock the device. Next is the lock screen. We will use video files extract from the APK. Open Gallery app, choose color of wallpaper you want set to lock screen live wallpaper. Include gold, pink, and green color. Example, I want to use pink color. Press More, set video wallpaper. Apply and set to lock screen wallpaper. Now, the lock screen has animated effects, and the home screen too. Change to other colors if you want. Next, install HyperOS icons pack and this clock widget. Oppo icons pack from this theme. Clock widget in home screen from this theme. HyperOS to theme widget. Complete setup theme. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.